One fish on bonfire night. Did it make a difference with the fireworks? You know what? I've actually done all right on bonfire night before now. A session that stands out. I mean, not making the news about me, but I am making it about me. Stoneacres many years ago. I think I had three £30 plus linears out of Stoneacres on the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th of November. Incredible session. Anyone that knows Stoneacres and the stock and how hard it can be at any time of year, never mind in November. And believe it or not, I actually caught them in 2 foot of water on a bar in the middle of the night. All the bites were in the night, in the darkness, and I was getting bites at that time of night. So never, ever underestimate the shower water in the colder months.